Our project is a listed conversion, an old stable block, originally housed horses, part of a larger farm. It's more of a humble lean-to to an original wall, making up part of an estate. It's about 200 years old. It was a derelict building. My wife actually used to keep her ponies in here many moons ago. And yeah, just kind of rejuvenate and restore it and conserve, really. We looked at different floor types, but we thought it would be difficult to abut the thresholds, and the shape of the building doesn't really lean itself towards having like wood and tiles in the kitchen, and so we thought it would be easier just to go polished concrete throughout. We love it, it's durable, hardy, and it's a nod to what was there before. We opted for cream buff. The lime mortar on the brickwork is of similar kind of tones, so yeah, we tied it in with the lime mortar as best we could, and something not too harsh, a little bit more neutral and sympathetic, seeing as it's an old building. We just wanted the floor to kind of hold its own, white walls, shadow gap, and kind of let, where it's an old stable conversion, let the quirky shapes and beams take precedence within the spaces. We opted for uplights in the polished concrete floor. They can be difficult to execute and get looking right, but we're over the moon with them. The install team didn't damage them, kept them perfectly level. So yeah, we're really happy with the effect of the uplights in the floor. If I would give some advice to somebody looking to have polished concrete floor, I certainly wouldn't recommend the most cost-effective. I'd do a lot of due diligence into who to opt for. If you got it wrong or the contractor got it wrong, it'd be a very costly mistake. You've got obviously your services, underfloor heating, etc. And so yeah, really need to opt for a contractor like Lazenby with a proven track record, and we're brilliant from start to finish.